Additive manufacturing is a process where we take powder and turn it into parts. It is new, exciting technology that we're pursuing here in West Des Moines, and it's the future.
Really, the high-level definition of additive manufacturing is any process where a machine is working straight from some form of 3D geometry file to produce a geometry in a layer-by-layer fashion.
What makes it different from traditional manufacturing is rather than starting with material and removing what you don't need, instead you just add the parts that you need with different methods. You're basically building up a part with the material that you're using.
Additive manufacturing encompasses many different types of manufacturing processes. Here in West Des Moines, we actually use what they call powder bed fusion. That's where we take a large 3D printer, spread powder onto a build plate, and essentially use a laser welder to weld a three-dimensional shape. It allows us to essentially take what a design engineer creates in a CAD model and print it from scratch.
Additive manufacturing has a lot of unique characteristics, and so as the manufacturing technology advances, we're going to be able to adapt a lot of aerospace product lines to include more additive, and it's really going to be integrated in the industry as a new method of manufacturing.
Additive really helps us reduce the lead time in what it takes traditional manufacturing. So a lot of the times we'll deal with a lot of castings, and if you have to change a tool or create a new casting, you could be looking at months to years in order to get hardware. Whereas additive manufacturing allows you to do it weeks or days, which all then allows you to say, hey, this didn't actually print correctly, let's make these modifications and reprint.
So we started investing in additive technology about 10 years ago. We knew that it was going to be the future of Collins, that being able to design for additive and to be able to build parts additively was going to provide us great benefits, including cost reductions and faster time to market.
Additive here in West Des Moines means a lot of things. It means some opportunity for our designers to design new products in the future, really partner with our customers and start to, keep up with the new engines coming out. Along with that, for our operations teams, it means advancements in the operations capabilities to be more efficient, and again, really start designing for the new engines that are out there and provide the right components to our customers that they're asking for.
We've got a fully functional, highly cross-functional team, engineers, operations, manufacturing here that enables us to do pretty much anything that Power and Controls wants. If there's something that you can think of that can fit in our build chamber, we can build it.